Good morning students, I am Amrita teacher and now today we are going to start the subtraction with borrowing. Now we know that in subtraction there are two numbers, one is bigger and one is smaller. The bigger number is called as minuend and the smaller number is called as subtrahend. So we can subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So we can subtract the subtrahend from the minuend. Here is given the example 2534 from 3923. Now in these numbers 3923 is greater than 2534. So we have to write 3923 at the top and then below 2534 and then we have to subtract. So at the place of ones here is 3 and below the 3 4. So we cannot subtract 4 from the 3. So we borrow from the place of tens. So here is 2 tens. Okay, so from the 2 tens we have to borrow 1 10 from tens place. So 1 10 plus 3 ones is equal to 13 ones. So we have to write here 13 and it become 110. Okay, here 110 plus 3 ones is equal to 13 ones. So we can easily subtract 4 ones from 13 ones. Then here is 9. Then here 1 is left and we cannot subtract 3 tens from 1 tens. So we borrow from 9 hundreds. So it become 11 tens because when we add 100 in 110 then it become 11 tens because 100 means 10 tens. Okay, and 10 tens plus 1 tens is equal to 11 tens. Okay, so here 11 tens and we can easily subtract 3 tens from 11 tens. So here 8. Now 9 become 8 and when we subtract 5 from 8 then 3 and when we subtract 2 from 3 then it become 1. Okay, so we can easily subtract 2000 from 3000. So from 3000 when we subtract 2000 from 3000 then we get 1000. So the answer is 1389 and this is called difference. Now the other example is here is given at the place of 5. So we cannot subtract 7 ones from 5 ones. So we borrow from the place of tens. Here is 1 tens. So we can borrow from 1 tens. So it becomes 15 because 110 plus 5 ones 1 10 plus 5 ones is equal to 15 ones. Okay, so we can easily subtract 7 ones from 15 ones, then it becomes 8. Here 0 is left and we cannot subtract 8 from 0, so we borrow from the place of 100. Here is 400, so we can take 100 from the place of 100, and so 100 plus 100 plus 0 ones, 0 1 is equal to 10 ones, because 100 means 10 tens. Okay, so we can easily subtract 8 from 10. So here 2 tens. Okay, now here is left 300, because we borrow from 400 from 100, then we can subtract, but here is 9 and 9 and we cannot subtract 9 from 3, so we borrow from 2000, so it become 1000 and it become 13. Okay, because when we add 1000 in 300s, then it become 1300. Look at this, 1000 plus 300 is equal to 1300s. Thirteen hundreds. 1000 means 10 hundreds. 1000 plus 300 is equal to 1300s, and we can easily subtract 900 hundreds from 1300s, then we get here 4, and here when we subtract 1 from 1, then we get 0. So our answer is 428. So in this way we can subtract